Hello guys, today on dissection we are going to talk about the lock. So this is an Almirah lock that I have here. As you can see, there are two screw holes here. So I have just removed the screws and I'm going to open it. Now you can see a bit of machinery here. So I'll tell you in brief that how does this lock work. Now if we look back at the cover, we can see that there is a keyhole here, this one. Now when you insert the key inside this keyhole, so what happens is, as you can see, I am inserting the tester instead of the keyhole. So when you rotate the keyhole, the key itself, then these levers get adjusted in such a way that this iron block is pulled out. Now this iron block is connected to this iron block is connected to this small piece of iron here. So this will be clear when I remove these levers, but now just have a look at it. So there are these obstacles which are there for this iron piece. So let me just take the levers out one by one. This is one obstacle. Now I'm just removing this again. Now you can see another obstacle. Now if I remove this lever also, so let me just remove it, you can see a bigger obstacle in this lever. Now I'm going to remove this also. Now what we have here is the main lever, and this slit here, yes, this slit here is used to push it back and pull it in. Now I'm going to place all the levers on a single screw so that I can just tell you how do they work. So here it is. Now if I just put my tester in the cavity in the middle, and I want to go to the cavity on the other side, that is the other side, that is the here. So for that I have to adjust the levers in such a way that the tester can go to and fro without any problem. Now if I forcefully do it here, so you can just see that I can move my tester to and fro without any problem. So just let's have a look at the shape of the levers, the arrangement of the levers here. So this arrangement actually is done by the key itself. So I have made a sample key here. As you can see, this first bulging out portion here, this first tower, or you can see the first pole, anything that you want to say, is the main lever. It is used for shifting the main lever. Now as you can see, there are some other towers or some other arrangements also for shifting the other levers in the lock. Now we will make the key for our arrangement that we need for our lock. So I am just trying to make it, and you can just verify it after I make it. So I think this is it. Now I have to make one other. Okay, so here we are. This is the key, and this is for the main lever. Now as you can just compare the actual arrangement of the levers with the key itself. And this first projection is for shifting the main lever. Now when the key makes the adjustment in this way, the rod can move to and fro easily. So now I am just going to put it back in the lock. Now if I just forcibly make the arrangement again, now as you can see, the main lever can move to and fro without any problem, but for that we need the arrangement of the locks in that way. So I'm just going to show it to you with just one lever here. Now as you can see how the spring works here, it just pushes the lever back. You can just see it with two levers also. The spring pushes the levers back so that the position of the main lever is locked, and for unlocking or locking we have to use the key. So I am going to put it back now. So that was our lock. Thank you for watching.